Yes, I'm a Milagro reporter, and as you know, Milagro is on 4th and 5th. So, just tell me what are your expectations from this Milagro?
I expect a lot from this Milagro, like other college people participating in rock show and all, dance, and especially fashion show. Last year, no one came.
Right.
They are college performers.
Okay.
So this time I expect a lot.
Yeah. What about you?
Yeah, so Milagro is basically the cultural fest.
Correct.
And,
It's actually
cultural activities are full on in any monument.
Yeah.
This is a college of excellence.
Yeah.
So people come from all diverse backgrounds. So here's a chance for them to show out their talent. Come sing, participate, dance,
Right.
go into debates,
right.
go for public speaking, improvise your own skills.
Uh-huh.
So whether others come or not, it is more important that the people of our college participate.
Right, because finally it's for us that
Exactly.
organizers are doing it. And so, what events are you participating in?
Basically fashion show
Uh-huh.
and rock show.
Okay, so you have a band of your own, right? And this
So
is
we have a band, but we don't have any drums.
you don't have any drums, right?
So can't do all that metal stuff.
Okay.
So basically normal punk songs, acoustic version of that.
Okay, and even you're participating?
Yeah, I've been the band and others public speaking and quiz events.
Okay. So you have gone to other college fests and all.
Yeah.
So how do you compare that with this? I mean, you're 4th sem, right?
Yeah.
You're from CS and you're from
He's from EC.
You're from EC and you're from IS.
Yeah.
So how big do you think Milagro will be this time?
See, actually in other colleges, the management is partially in the hands of the administration and partially done by the students.
Right.
So basically the sponsorship and all is done by the colleges. Spend heaps of money for that.
Correct.
But in our college, the sponsors are like, how the placement works firstly.
Right. Yeah,
Companies pay for
Yeah.
the students to come there.
Correct.
And everything is managed by the students. So you should have your expectations,
Yeah.
but there are some limitations.
Correct. What about you?
Same question. Sponsors are very
Yeah.
less. Like I participated in fashion show last year. This year also I'm participating. So we have lack of sponsor. So we need to pay
Right.
for costume. So we have to think of such a theme that
Which
makes
is
it in less.
right.
So that's what the problem is. Otherwise, management and all, it's fine.
Okay. So you have been in last year's Milagro.
Yeah.
What do you think of that? And
Yeah, that was good. MTV came.
okay.
And judges, the model also came from
Yeah.
Mauritius and all. It was very nice.
Okay. What about you?
Yeah, last year's Milagro was entertaining and there's quite a lot of activity last time. The sponsors were brought from outside, MTV was participating, that DJ had come.
Yeah.
And people were looking at, hey, I want to see the DJ. And it was good.
So
Lot of events were there.
you think that this year's Milagro, the more events are there, the new innovative events are there, and did you see the posters?
Yeah, we went through there were some new events, that's good. I mean, last year we had a debate and very few people showed up and
Right.
it was not good. But the air crash was really good. Air crash is that part of the
right.
character. So that is the only thing there this time. It's good, improvising.
Okay, so which event are you looking forward to the most?
Basically, rock show
Rock show.
and fashion show as well.
Likewise.
What about same here? Okay, so nice to meet you guys. Your name?
Vikas.
Vishwat.
Akshay. Thanks.